Geometric series. Do not forget to subscribe, and if you have any question about geometric sequences, you should watch this video before continuing. We know when the terms of a sequence are added together, the sum is referred to as a series. Therefore, the sum of the terms of a geometric sequence is called geometric series. Pay attention. Geometric sequence. Geometric series. A geometric series is the sum of the terms of a geometric sequence. To develop a formula for the sum of a geometric series, consider the following geometric series. We should remember of the general term formula for a geometric sequence. So we can rewrite this series in this form. Let's call this series by S sub 6, since we are adding 6 terms. Multiply both sides of this equation by common ratio r. We notice that most of the terms are the same. So, subtracting one sequence from the other makes most terms cancel out. Factorize both sides of the equation. Divide both sides by 1 minus r. Now, if we replace 6 with n, we get the formula for the sum of a geometric series. Consider the geometric sequence. The common ratio is 3. And the first term is 3. To find the 7th term, take the general term formula for a geometric sequence and substitute the known values into the formula. The 7th term is 3 raised to the power of 7. To find the sum of the first 7th terms, take the formula for the sum of a geometric series and substitute the known values and perform the calculations. It's done. Consider the geometric sequence. Find the number of terms in the geometric sequence. We know the first term is 9. We find the common ratio by dividing two consecutive terms. After simplifying, we get 2 over 3. We also know the last term. Substitute the values we know into the general term formula for a geometric sequence. Perform the calculations. This is an exponential equation. This sequence has 8 terms. Calculate the sum of the terms. Substitute the values of first term, common ratio, and n into the formula for the sum of a geometric series. and perform the calculations.